Hey Payton. So we're told that this expression 7 times in brackets 7 minus 3x plus 4 times x minus 6 equals ax plus b. Now all this is trying to tell us is that we're going to have some number in front of the x, that's called a coefficient, and we'll have some other number just by itself, which is usually called a constant. It doesn't have any variable or letters with it. So what we're going to do to find that out, first let's use the distributive property, right? If we look inside the brackets, there's nothing we can do. These are unlike terms. This has a 7, this has an x, so we can't add or subtract those. Same deal over here. So what we'll do instead is we'll distribute and multiply each term inside the set of brackets by that 7 outside. So first one will be 7 times 7. That's going to give us 49. The next term is going to be 7 times minus 3x. And remember, always get used to looking to the left of the coefficient. That tells you what the sign is going to be. If it's positive, there's usually no sign or a plus sign, right? Or here, a negative. So this is going to be 7 times negative 3x, which is going to give us a negative 21x. We just multiply the numbers, and then the variable comes along. Let's do the same thing over in our second set of brackets now. This is going to be plus 4, but if I distribute that out, that's going to be plus 4x, 4 times x, and then plus 4 minus 6 is minus 24. Now we're almost done, but we could combine these like terms here. Both of these numbers have an x, both of these have an x with no exponent, so they're like terms. We can add them up, right? That's going to come out to be minus 17x. We just simply add the coefficients there. And we can do the same thing with our whole numbers here. 14 minus 24 is going to come out to be plus 25. That's going to be your final answer there. And just also a last point that I'll make is we always put the x term first. So you wouldn't really write it like this. You wouldn't write 25 minus 17x. I mean, you're technically not wrong, but just by convention, we always put the terms with the variables first. Hope that helps.